Hey, this is something a little different today than my typical video, which is usually kind of a lesson kind of thing. I have a community, More Creative Academy, and inside of that I mentor a lot of creatives. There's over 100 something members in there, and they get DM access to me every day. I do live events, etc. Anyway, I got a message from one of the members who was growing his creative agency. It was him, and he had a few employees, and one of their clients started to be at risk, and the revenue was at risk, and the stress was bottling up in him. And he had messaged me, and I sent him the reply that I'm going to share with you in this video. I asked for his permission. I'm not sharing any names or anything of him or his clients or anything. But after I finished it, I remember thinking, man, I've been through those experiences where it's scary and I didn't know how I was going to survive the stress of running a creative business. And I wish somebody would have shared something like what I share in this video to me back then, so I'm sharing it to you right now. Anyway, that's the video for today. Check it out. It's a little pep talk for freelancers, for creative agency owners, a little pep talk for you, for some things for you to kind of chew on. Hope they help. Hey man, got your message in MCA. I'm sending you this loom. I'm sorry, man. It sucks. Honestly, running a business and raising a family, it's like two of the most challenging things that you can go through. Okay, so there's a light at the end of the tunnel. I know it's hard to see it. Going back to just you doing more of the production work, there's a business in that, man. There are a lot of people who do that. They don't have 5 employees. It's them and a sidekick. And there's a lot of profit to be had in a business like that. But you're so capable of so much more than that. And that's what's probably hard, is that you're feeling that, why is this happening to me? I'm better than this kind of thing. And you are. And this is just a moment in the course of your business, and you're learning the lessons from it, the cash flow lessons and the watching the numbers lessons and things. But learning those lessons is hard and it stings. So I'm sorry you're going through that. I waited so long before I started outsourcing stuff, hiring people. I mean, I'd say yes to everything, and then I would do it myself, and I was just working crazy amount of hours, but at least I was profitable. I had the stress of working a lot of hours instead of the stress of, oh no, I'm late on a bill. I'm late on paying something. And so that's something to consider in this situation that you're in. You're going to have stress. You're going to have stress running a business, but maybe there is a season where your stress is the amount of hours you're doing production work for the clients you already have versus the stress of, I got to bring in more clients and I got to make my payroll for my people and stuff that I've committed to. But I know you work a lot of hours too, but I know you're trying to balance it as well. So I know all this stuff is floating around in your brain. I think my overall message is, man, just take it a day at a time. The more stressful life is, the more you need to shorten the window that you look out. And you said right now, I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to make it till July. And while that's good thinking, July is forever away. And so instead, you should probably try and look at and say, am I going to make it through tomorrow? And if the answer is yes, then you're better off than a lot of people in the world. And so don't miss the paradigm in that. There is some benefit to shortening the window, and you're looking, get through tomorrow, get through today. Sometimes it's that. Sometimes you're trying to get through minute by minute. That's what you're trying to get through. And it's not even day by day. It's just like, let me just get through the next 10 minutes. And that's a piece that happens too. Anyway, so just dropping you this message, a little support message, and hope it helps. And thanks, man. I'm here for you. Talk to you later.